Welcome to the inspiring story of Saint Roch, a 14th century saint known for his extraordinary faith, compassion, and miraculous healings. Join me as we explore his remarkable life and legacy. Born in Montpellier, France, Saint Roch was raised in a noble family. However, he chose a life of humility and service, dedicating himself to caring for the sick and poor. During the devastating Black Death, Saint Roch traveled to Italy, selflessly caring for the afflicted. His compassion and faith inspired countless people. Saint Roch's loyal dog, which he received from a noble family, became an integral part of his ministry. The dog would often bring bread to Saint Roch, allowing him to sustain himself while caring for the sick. One remarkable story tells us that when Saint Roch contracted the plague, his dog stayed by his side, licking his sores and helping him recover. Despite his selfless work, Saint Roch faced persecution and was imprisoned. However, his unwavering faith and miraculous healings continued to inspire those around him. Saint Roch's extraordinary life teaches us the value of compassion, selflessness, and faith. As the patron saint of dogs, healing, and protection, he remains a powerful intercessor for our needs. May Saint Roch's story inspire you to live a life of service and devotion. Share this video with others and spread the message of hope and faith.